All right. Well, we used APF on this one with the fiber reinforced show knocks. Definitely didn't spread as easy as the AP because of the fibers, but it was not too hard. Again, we feathered the edges, took it to about 3/16 to 1/8 inch out there, and then feathered the rest of it with their show knocks SL. The spot through here was really bad. About 3/4 of an inch thick there, 1/2 inch there, and then that was a bad spot, 1/2 inch through there, and then of course this whole is pretty bad. How's it look?
I need some thinner interior because it's like.
Okay, well we can do that. Don't.
And I got a
high spot there.
I need to grind that.
All right. What about right here was fine? That had an X on it, and I ended up just floating. So yeah, it looks great. Looks perfect. Damn. Really good. Really good. All right. So so I did a little bit right here, huh? Across here, I had a feeling.
Yeah, this is like big.
All there?
No, it's just from this point to this point.
Oh, okay. I see. You got it marked. Okay. All right. How's that foam doing? Pretty good, huh? Looks like it's doing better than the 3/8 snap. But we'll see. I don't think it's going to last long. I think it's going to fall apart. So this is about 5/8 out. This opening to the downstairs in relative to this upstairs. So that outside wall and that outside wall down there are almost square, and everything in here is within an 1/8 inch. We've got lines here, lines here, lines here, and chalk lines right through here. So what we've got to do is we're going to start off over here. It's going to be our first row. And we're going to put the nosing on, and then we're going to bevel. We're going to bevel the back side of this plate. We're going to take a 1/2 inch off. 1/2 inch off here, and then we'll just slowly taper to nothing right there. So we've got to get all these boards cut and square relative to our red chalk line here, based off our measurement from here to that pencil line. That's our net measurement right there. And then we'll follow the front of the board here after the chalk line. Right back here. It's going to be like right there, like that. So our measurement, our true measurement for our first row here is going to be this chalk line in the face of the front of the tongue side of the plank there. So I'm going to get that all cut and put in, and then we will mark on the back side here. We'll mark where our nosing is going to intersect here. we'll figure it out. It kind of hangs over a little bit, so we're going to have to cut it off there. And it'll be net there like that. So what we'll do is we'll get this board, everything here. We'll do some little 23 gauge nails through it to hold our planks, because we can remove it really easy with those. And they won't show or damage the wood. Get those all set. We're going to go ahead and do this. We're going to get our measurement from there to there. And we're going to go down. And we're going to measure that from here to the plank, which will start cutting into the plank. It should. We're going to measure on this side again. We'll come down here and we're going to measure on this side again where our nosing is going to end up. So our grip should be gaining width. Measure this side. Come down and we should have it between 1/2 and 5/8 cut off right here. And we'll cut all that with, once we get it marked, we'll cut it all with the track saw. So what we'll probably do is take this outside. I've got a little table for platform going. We'll put these two boards together. Measure. I've got 8, 9, 10. I've got 11 feet. Should have brought my 5-footer. I would have had plenty of track to do it in one cut. But if we got to move it, do it in 3 different cuts, that's totally fine. But one cut would definitely keep everything true. Every time we've got to remove that track and we put it on a mark, we're going to be off a 64th, what's 64 and 64? 1/28th of an inch? I guess it all adds up. Anyway, so we're getting our cuts around these posts. We're not going to have any moldings around those at all, no need. So this is going to be the hardest part of the install on this side of the house. So patience. Anyways, keep you posted. Because we beveled this nosing, this corner and top's riser is not square, so we've got to figure out what the angle is to make that final cut right there. So let it come in all the way right there. A little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. I think it's are you close? You close? It can stick over a little bit. It can be a little bit. I wanted an 1/8 inch in there. Want an 1/8 inch in there so we can move it a little bit if we need to.
Yeah, a little bit more.
A little bit more. Oh, there we go. Coming along. So once we get that all set, we'll go that direction and install that direction and go pretty smooth. So just getting this part done here. Oh, there we go. Coming along. Tomorrow will be the last day. Oh. That's the header board. Yep. Just that left to do. Undercut the fireplace. Oh, nice. It's always nice clean look. So that's what we did today. Tomorrow will be the last day, and then we'll start sanding and staining those red oak stairs to match that white oak floor. So we'll do 2/3 country white with 1/3 fruit wood. So that's my plan. So all right, we got her sanded. So a little trick we do, if you wipe down with water, it'll show where there's finish. So the bucket. On the ends, you can see right there. See, I'm going to show you where you're still finished. We're on the thread. See that? I'll scrape this corner. And see, scrape that. You know, for like this thread. See that? Especially underneath. And in the corners, can't see it, but you can see a little bit. You can see where it, once you get your eye trained to see what you need to see. So I gotta do this whole nosing. You wipe it, it doesn't even change color, see that? So, little trick. And then you know where to scrape. That's it. Tricks of the trade. Some guys will use neutral stain, but a waste of stain and money. So anyways, water dries and when you're done, you're done. So there you go. Thanks for watching.